Hello, there's Hayley from SevereWeatherTV.com with the severe weather outlook for the September 11th date. That sounded really poorly phrased. What is happening at the moment? Lots of stuff now going on cyclone-wise. In the Eastern Pacific, we've got Odile and also Tropical Depression 16. In the Atlantic, we've got the new Tropical Depression 6. In the Northwest Pacific, we've got Tropical Depression and Tropical Storm 15, a future typhoon. Talk about that shortly. In Mexico today, there's the possibility for torrential rains in this very large red area, as well as the possibility for intense rains here, and here, and then also the possibility for strong winds today. In the United States today, this map is confusing. We'll take a look at the percentages later on. In Canada, the warnings that are in effect right now are rainfall, wind, and some of these are storm surge for the warnings for the red areas at the moment. So here's what's going on. Lots of stuff going on. Over here in the Eastern Pacific, we have future Hurricane Odile. And then we have, Tropical Depression 16. Over here in the Atlantic, we've got Tropical Depression 6. Also a future tropical storm. So that may well be getting a name sometime in the future. Northwest Pacific, we've got Tropical Depression, 15? Future typhoon, possibly? We'll find out, I guess. Typhoon when it makes landfall in Pacífico, that's not good. Also, of course, there's low chance of tropical cyclone formation. So, in a little bit more detail, with Odile, of course, you saw the Mexico map where they've got the possibility for the very strong rains, torrential rains, in fact, as well as the NHC threat officially are winds and dangerous surf conditions, and there is a tropical storm watch in effect. One of these areas. There you go, tropical storm watch in effect for this part of the coastline at the moment. Tropical Depression 15 out in the Northwest Pacific. I believe there are no land hazards on this one at the moment, but of course, headed straight for the Philippines at the moment. And supposedly going to be a typhoon at the time it makes landfall, so obviously a problem there in the future. Yes. In the United States, here's an overview of the severe thunderstorm threat for the next few days, which is to say it's not very high. Here's a map showing what's happening at this very moment. Got four warnings in effect. All of them special marine warnings at this moment. In general today, less than 2% chance of a tornado. Doesn't mean it's going to happen. It's just very unlikely. 5% chance for the 58 mile per hour and greater winds. 5% chance for the 1 inch or larger hail. And this next map, it's quite a surprise, right? Less than 5% all areas. So I think this is the first time in many, many days, possibly since the winter-y time, where there wasn't a severe threat at all. Right? Maybe? I don't know. We'll find out. Yeah. And that is it for today. And hopefully you're staying safe out there.